Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we will look into the laws of indices. There are 8 laws. So first one is indices something like 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 5. Then what you can do is you can add these indices. So the answer would be 2 to the power 8. The condition is the base should be same. How can we generalize this one? So if we say the base is a and power is m times a to the power n, then the answer is a to the power m plus n. So this is the first law. The second one is quite the same but in the opposite way. Instead of multiplication we will divide. For example, 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3 means the answer is 2 to the power 5 minus 3, which is 2 to the power 2. So how can we generalize this one? Is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. The answer is a to the power m minus 1. This is the second law. Third one is, say you have 2 to the power 3 and you are taking another power to the power 4. How do we simplify this one? When you have power of power, these two will multiply with each other, something like this: 2 to the power 3 times 4, which is 2 to the power 12. How can we generalize this one? Say a to the power m to the power n is become a to the power m times n, which is a to the power m n. This is the third law. And the fourth and fifth one are quite simple. Fourth one is, if anything to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 0 is 1, 3 to the power 0 is 1, 1000 to the power 0 is 1. So how can we generalize this one? If your base is a and power of c 0, then it will become 1. This is quite important. And the fifth one is, let's say 2 to the power 1 is 2, 3 to the power 1 is 3, 1000 to the power 1 is 1000. So anything to the power 1 is equal to the base. How can we generalize this one? A to the power 1 is a. So this is also an important law to remember. So what is the sixth law? Sixth law is something simple, you have already seen it. So for example, 2 to the power half mean this is nothing but square root of 2, right? So if it is a square root, we will put 2 here, but normally we don't put 2 here if it is a square root. But for example, 2 to the power 1/3, this can be converted into 2, but here we will put 3. This is a cube root of 2. Or for example, 2 to the power 1/4. This is a fourth root, so we will say 2, here we will put 4. So how can we generalize this one? Let's say a to the power 1 over m. This can be written like m, right? This is a notation that we need to remember. So this is the sixth law. And what about the seventh law? Is something like, let's say 2 to the power minus 3. We can simplify this one, like all we need to do is a fraction become 1 over 2 to the power 3. Another example, let's say 3 to the power minus 4. This is nothing but 1 over 3 to the power 4, right? So you can quickly verify whether it is true or not, right? So if I rewrite this one like 2 to the power minus 3 equal 1 over 2 to the power 3, what we can do is, if you remember rearranging equation, this will go and multiply on this side. So it will become 2 to the power minus 3 times 2 to the power 3. From the first law, when you multiply, these powers will add up. So it will become 2 to the power minus 3 plus 3, which is 2 to the power 0. From the fifth law, 2 to the power 0 is 1. So this equation is correct, right? So how can we generalize this one? Is a to the power minus m. This will become 1 over a to the power m, right? So this is the seventh law. What about the last law? Eighth law is a combination of the 6 and 7. For example, 2 to the power 2 over 3. Then you can bring this 1/3. You can keep 2 to the power 2 inside, but the denominator become the root. So how do you read this? The cubed root of 2 to the power 2. For example, another one, 5 to the power 2 over 7. This can be rearranged as 5 to the power 2, but the 7 become 7th root. How can we generalize this into equation? A to the power m over n. Then this is nothing but a to the power m and nth root of a to the power m. This is the 8th law. Thank you for watching this video. In the next videos, we will learn the law of surds, the rationalizing the denominator, and then we will go into 5 exam style questions. Thank you for